How to set the PHP version per folder. Using cPanel you can have PHP version 5 and use PHP 7 in a folder or blog. We will learn to use different PHP versions for different folders. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Scroll down to the software section and click on the Multi-PHP Manager icon. First click on the checkbox to select a domain you have, then click to open the drop-down list of PHP version and select the appropriate PHP version you want to use in a folder. Suppose you want to use PHP 7.4 in your folder, click on the Apply button. PHP 7.4 has been applied to the selected domain. Now go to the main page and open File Manager. Now open public HTML directory in File Manager and locate .htaccess file in it. First, right-click on the .htaccess file, then click on the Edit option. Click on the Edit button. Now copy the code generated by cPanel for PHP version. You will need to paste this code into the .htaccess file of the folder. Now go back to the File Manager and open the folder for which you want to set the selected PHP version. In this case we want to set PHP 7.4 for the folder named Forums. Here is a .htaccess file. If it is not, you have to create a .htaccess file. We teach how to create a .htaccess file in a separate tutorial. Now right-click on the .htaccess file and click the Edit option and button. Now paste the copied code of the PHP version in this .htaccess file and click on the Save Changes button. That's it, we have successfully applied PHP version 7.4 for the selected folder. Now you have learned how to copy the code from the .htaccess file of a domain generated by cPanel for a particular PHP version and paste it in the .htaccess file of a particular folder to set a different PHP version for that folder. You can do it for different folders requiring different PHP versions just by following the previous steps. Thank you for watching.